Are you ready for this? Good morning, good afternoon, good evening. Hope you're having a fabulous day wherever in the world you are. So, today is Madam Glam Day. And these are Madam Glam's socials. And then, if you are interested in learning about recycling, there's this PR code on there. Of course, they are vegan, cruelty free, 21 free, palm oil free, and HEMA free. Always. So I waited to open up this box with you because I want to be as surprised at these gorgeous colors as you are. And was I ever super happy with these colors? Oh my gosh, y'all wait till you see these. And these colors will be available on March 4th. And unless you're a VIP member, then you can get them a little earlier than that. But if you want to pick these up and not become a VIP member, go ahead and use my discount code, which will be in the description box, to save you some coins. Because, y'all, you're definitely going to want this collection. But if you're not a VIP member, make sure to check that pay-as-you-go if you plan on using the discount codes. Or if you want to become a VIP member, go ahead and become a VIP member. It's only $29 a month, and there are so many perks to becoming a VIP member. So anyway, well, let's go ahead and check these out. This is called the Pastel Spritz Collection. March awakens with a breath of fresh air, a symphony of color hues, luminous whisper paints the season with dreamy pastels. And this collection has 8 gorgeous pastels. Celebrate March with vibrant, lasting shades that capture the spirit of spring, making every moment of the season feel fresh and beautiful. This March, we are bringing you 8 new suck-off gel polishes in soft, dreamy hues to celebrate the beauty of spring. Let these delicate shades transport you to a season of renewal and effortless elegance. Step into the season with the renewal with the Pastel Spritz Collection, showcasing 4 cream gels and 4 silky pearlescent gels. And y'all, I got 3 of the pearlescent and 1 of the cream pastels. Anyway, let me see, where was I? From delicate pastels to luminous shimmers, these shades offer the perfect balance of elegance and charm. Perfect for capturing the serene elegance of spring, these shades will transport you into a world of blooming possibilities. Our gels are crafted with care for both you and the environment. They're vegan, cruelty-free, 21 free formula, palm oil free, and of course, HEMA free, giving you the freedom to enjoy a stunning manicure without compromise. Embrace vibrant, long-lasting color that is pure and refreshing as the season itself. So I am going to do 2 coats on these just because I feel like it really brings out the colors when you do 2 coats. Now, I know some people like to do 1 coat. You can get away with that if you want. But for me personally, I like the 2 coat look. And y'all, just look at that shimmer. Oh, mouth watering. So I am going to go back and show you how the second coat looks. And then I'm going to do a top coat. And of course, I am going to do the underneath side with a matte top coat. Now, I'm going to say this. I am constantly... Why is it that I am constantly running out of top coat? I mean, come on now. Always. I just bought new matte top coat. And now I am literally scraping bottom on the shiny top coat. Why didn't I see that coming? Y'all, I need to get shiny top coat. And for the life of me, I don't know. I swear I just bought this new nail lamp like less than a year ago. And it's already causing me problems. So now I'm going to have to get a new nail lamp too. So if it isn't one thing, it's something else. Gotta love it. Anyway, I'm going to jump off here and let you continue to watch and look at these beautiful colors. And y'all, these colors matte, oh my gosh, absolutely mouth watering. So make sure to pick up this set because I know you are going to want it. Oh, they are stunning. And I'm going to jump off here, and I do hope you enjoy. And as always, I'm sending you love, hugs, and blessings. Bye-bye.